I've been doing a bit more work on the dt125r, trying to sort out a back caliper for it. Bleeding this up and it's no good. The wheel keeps locking. I've changed the seals in it. You see there, it's tight, can't even pull that round. So it just keeps locking up. I think the piston in it's one of the ones that's got the plastic piston in, and I think it's gone out of shape. It seems to be swollen out of shape, so every time I pump it out it's just jamming, it's not going back in. Like I say, I've cleaned that caliper out, I've took the seals out, I've given it a right good bloody clean and put new seals in, and it's no good. So I'm going to have to go through my boxes and dig another caliper out, and then that's probably going to want some new seals in as well, because let's face it, they're all old and shit and knackered, aren't they? Right, I've been through my box of bits and I got another caliper out. This is one with a steel piston inside it, and it's got new seals in it. It's one I've rebuilt before, so that's now on. It's bled up, it's spot on, and watch this. Look at that! Look at that! Spot on. The wheel's a bit out of shape, like, but it is going to be a field bike, so it's probably not going to stay in shape for long anyway, is it? Anyway, that's the back brake sorted. On to the next job, and that is going to be putting these on. So sometimes you find them, they've got a bloody cable tie around. I'm fortunate enough to have these anyway. They usually break when they come off, but I'm going to whip these on next. Put up there. So I'll try not to over tighten it because it'll split. That'll do. Get the next one on. This next one just behind there. Get out. Try not to mark the frame, so it'll piss me right off. Right, that's both of them on. Look at that. Mint. Doesn't that look good? So we're starting to get pushed on a bit further now with this bike. Next job, I'm going to take a look at the headlight, I think. So I'm going to put that headlight on it. I'm not going to waste an original DTR headlight on a field bike, but I'm going to put a headlight on it, and I've decided to put this on. So some brat gets it that lives on a small holding to flog about a small holding. He'll be able to flog about on the small holding on a night, won't he, with that light on? Or on a farm to round the cows up or something. So anyway, I'm going to wire this in next. So I'm just basically soldering this wire in here for the light, for the headlight. This goes to a wire that I know is alive when the switch that I put in is turned on. So basically I put an inline switch on a live wire to turn the power valve on, and just to isolate the battery. And then I've got a separate kill switch that I've fitted as well. So that'll do there. So that's my live. And now I need to find an earth and also connect and put a wire in for the earth on the headlight. So I've got my wires in now. And I'm going to get rid of them daft plastic or rubber, these like shroud things here, whatever they are, contain the wires. They don't need to be on. So I'm just going to slice them out the way. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? Get them out of the way. We'll take these up so they're nice and tight behind the light. There's quite a lot of the wiring there. If someone wants to put it back original and start messing on with the wiring and put it back original, it's all there to do. So that's that. I'll plug the headlight in now and see if it works. These connectors, and it doesn't seem to be working. Oh, it's working. Don't know why it didn't come on straight away. So yeah, I've just got it on the side light. That'll do. Obviously it'd be brighter when the engine's running. So that's the headlight fitted. I know it doesn't look fantastic, but it is just a field bike, and it looks a lot better than if it was just an old knackered board on there or something. I don't know what else I would have put on really. I think that looks fine, to be honest, for what it is. Like I say, it's a field bike. It's a light, it's on there. If someone wants to use it, they can use it. If they don't want to use it, someone might want to put this back to being a road bike. The wiring's there. They can see where the wires come from, the live, the earth, and they can put a proper headlight on, do whatever they want with it really. But yeah, that's how I've got it for now as a field bike, and that's what it's intended to be. So I got this fuel tap off Amazon. I'm going to build it up and put it on and see what it's like, see if it leaks or not. Hopefully it won't leak. Hopefully it'll do the job. So I've got that built up, put the filter on the top. It's ready to go on. I'm just going to put a bit of grease around here before I put it on. Oh, you bastard. Wow, that's tightened up there. And it's as tight as I can get it. And I've given it some fucking rive on. Wow, get on there. Wow. Wow. So that's on. I just need a pipe and an inline filter now. Oh, and some oil in the bike. So we'll put some oil in. We'll use some Silkline for this fast machine. Yeah. So I'm just going to use a funnel, otherwise I'll get it fucking everywhere because I'm a bit gormless like that. So that's where it's supposed to be. So I've got a few jobs done to this now. I'm not far off at all. I think next job, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this side casing painted up and fitted. Probably this as well. But I'll get that fuel pipe sorted with the inline filter. I'll get some fuel for it and I'll get it kicked up and see if it runs.